Hello, remote family. I'm Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job for you guys, and this one also is 100% a no phone job, and it doesn't require any degree. And the opening which we have is with this company, Slang Worldwide, and they are looking for data entry specialist. It's a 100% remote work, and let's get into the job details. So they are looking to hire a dynamic data entry specialist to join their company's administrative department. In this role, you will be responsible for entering client information into their electronic storage system, updating existing entries, and organizing hard copies of information appropriately. To ensure success as a data entry specialist, you should display impeccable organizational skills and experience working with a variety of databases. So, here are the responsibilities of data entry specialist. You'll be collecting and digitizing data such as invoices, cancelled bills, client information, and financial statements, maintaining a detailed and organized storage system to ensure data entries are complete and accurate, keeping a record of hard copy data such as invoices, inventory checklist, and other financial documents, establishing data entry standards by continually updating filing systems to improve data quality, addressing data inconsistencies by working with administrative staff to locate missing data, attending to data queries and reporting any major data errors to management, adhering to best data management practices, and maintaining a high standard of accuracy and efficiency. So here are the requirements for data entry specialist: a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 month of experience working as a data entry specialist, excellent knowledge of data entry software, and exceptional organizational skills, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to spot errors with accuracy and efficiency, good communication skills, and the ability to collaborate with staff members, solid time management skills, and the ability to prioritize tasks, excellent typing skills, and experience working with Windows, Microsoft Office, and Google Suite. So, this position can be done entirely remotely as long as the team member has access to a fast, reliable internet connection and a dependable cell phone connection. A quiet, uninterrupted workspace will be needed as well. So, and applicants and military veterans with no experience are highly encouraged to apply. So, this was the job role. However, they haven't mentioned the salary which they are offering for data entry specialist. But as I checked Glassdoor for this company, Slang Worldwide Jobs, and I found that for this kind of role for data entry specialist, they are offering anywhere between $25 to $30 per hour. So if you're interested in this job role, then please apply for the same. You will find the application over here. I will share the link for the same below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you're looking for work from home opportunities, if you're looking for a no phone job or even a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful